Hello everyone, it's Dolkara here, and let's resume the Wandering Village, and let's see how far I get. If I remember rightly, we were just going through the jungle biome, and I'm searching for stuff, but I can't remember what I'm searching for, because I'm terrible like that. Here we are. Right, we've got rain, and Umbra's going really slowly. Right. We have the village doctor. I need to assign someone to that. I am still in the middle of research, so let's see what the next thing says. I have located a relic in your vicinity. It is being kept by a man who needs your help. He is a bit of an oddball, but please hear him out. I will connect you to him now. Ooh, Pidge! You have pigeons! Oh, I love pigeons. Pigeons are absolutely amazing, and they're actually this. I'm not sure if they're the same species, but closely related to doves. Yet pigeons get a bad rap. Also, a lot of the pigeons in the UK are a feral species, so they were domesticated and then released after the war, which is kind of sad, really. And that's why they struggle to build nests, and they're famous for building terrible nests. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, hello. How can we help? The lady I talked to said you lived on an Ollie and are able to deploy flying scavengers. Can we? That is correct, yes. We fly? How do we fly? Amazing. Please, you must help me. One of my beloved carrier pigeons, Biko, has gone missing on a recent sortie. He must have gotten lost inside of a poison storm, and I don't know what to do. I can't go by myself, and I'm afraid sending more birds to find him would just lead to me losing them as well. Can we recruit you so we can have just birds? So please, if you spot any poison storms from up high, send your scavengers out there to look for my Biko. Oh, poor Biko. Of course we'll look for him, and rest assured we will give him the best care we can. How are we going to care for a bird? We're not vets. I happen to have some experience. Oh, okay. As a veterinarian, so I will personally accompany our scavengers. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Still, are you an exotic veterinarian? Because birds come under exotics, not companion animals. Thank you so much. The lady said you'd be particularly interested in this old relic my father kept round. You can have it only if you bring back my boy. I mean, bird anatomy is very different to mammal anatomy, so yeah, very different, because birds have air sacs, not lungs, and their bones are hollow and also help their respiratory system, which we mammals, we have bone marrow and more solid bones than birds. Very different systems. Yeah, I've read that. We will do our very best. Take care. You handled that well. Make sure to take a look at your map. I will check your surroundings for poison storms and mark any that stand out to me. I don't think I've seen a poison storm yet. Thank you again, and talk to you soon. You want to go out there yourself, at your age, for a crazy person's bird. Have you finally gone mad? Yes. Dear, someone needs my help, and I feel more than capable of providing it. As soon as we can locate it, I'm going. End of discussion. I like you. And don't worry about me, dear. I like you. I like this. Right. So, how do I know what a poison storm looks like? Pest control. Woo! Has been finished. What else can I research? Town square. I'm assuming we need one of them. Oh, best try and feed him. Just getting hungry. Wrong one. There we are. Oh, we're starting to glow. Are we gonna actually feed him, or? Collect them. Let's speed it up. Oh, he's eating. Are we in a spot where you can eat? What are those? I'm gonna get the kitchen. Because I'm not really doing achievements on this game at the minute. I'm just doing the story, which is fun. Right. Already scavenged. Mine. Right, we'll do that one. And we'll see if we can grab that mine. Oh, we're getting more food. Woo! I can hear weird noises outside. I'm not sure what's happening. Right. So let's see. We have that person that does not a lot. We have the kitchen now. Can we build these huts? Yes! We can build huts. Which is what I've been wanting to do for a while now. Woo! And we're getting happiness now. So I need to see how big one of those huts is. Because I'm assuming... Oh, Ombu's going to sleep. Which means I can definitely get that mine. What the hell is that down there? I need some of that salt. We're getting a lot of rain here. What did that do? What did that give me? Oh, let's just bundle mushrooms. Right, we have mushrooms here to collect. And we have herbs. We have bushes we need to put back. Oh. Is there anywhere you can scavenge right now? You can go there. Oh, probably should have gone to that one and got some berry seeds. Some of berries were what do I need for that? Oh, I can get the sleep command. Oh, wrong button. Right, so let's see about... that's not what I wanted. Housing. what's that noise? That's a new one. So we have the town square. How big is this? Oh my, that's quite big. I move that down. Here. How big are these huts? Right, so they're 4 thing. So we will have what's on that one? Feels like Ombu's getting up now. Oh, we have a crossroads. Ooh. Right. Go there quickly. I'm gonna say this way. Oh. Fair enough. Ombu's not gonna listen to me and go down that way. Fair. That's just mean. Though, to be fair, I am slowly deconstructing loads of people's houses. Move this. People, I need you to move these stacks of logs. And then I can build you more houses. Oh no, I can't build that one. I'll build that. Which way are we going? Oh. Let's see what happens if we offer these people stuff. Ooh, we gained food for that. Nice. Right, have you guys moved stuff? Because I want to build you more houses. Like, move stuff for me so I can build you more houses. Have we got that poison storm yet? No. Right, what else do I want to research? I don't want that discipline up because we can just sacrifice villager. We Right, what is my other quest I'm meant to be doing? Some buildings can be upgraded. Upgrades need to be researched and applied. Research building upgrades. Right, so I need to research building upgrades. We will do that. We're getting choices on some of these scavenging routes. Oh, I like this. I do like this. Can we move this, guys? Come on. So I can build you more houses. Right. Where's the upgrade thing? I ain't got enough water for that. Where is it? Why do I need that? Oh. That might be useful, but where's the upgrade button? Oh, there. We're getting close to the pet ombu. We've got more rain. Ah, there's the poison storm we're meant to go for. Right. So where else can we go to that? Whatever that is. Get that extra water. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that. I'm wondering what that's going to look like when it's upgraded. I still need these people to move the logs. Ooh, are we at... Yes. There we go. Sit and eat. Sit and eat, mate. Oh, wow. I like that view. You can see stuff. What's this one? Ooh, there's so much fire. I have no survival gear. I have a doctor. So, what should we do? Ooh, this is, ooh. I mean, the fungal spores could be poisonous. I mean, I could send them outside where it's safer. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, let's go for the more risque option here and see what happens. Ooh, okay, we've gained 6 survival gear for next time. Oh, you guys have finished doing stuff. What's that for? What is it? We are going to get the Ombu Doctor so I can get that. Right, where else can I scavenge? Over there? Oh, I can't go over there anymore. We'll do the shrine. Okay, we're not gonna go to there. We're gonna go southeast because I want that for the quest. To see if I can get that bird. Can I move this? No. I have some unhappy villagers at the minute, so let's do the Ombu Pharmacy. That's town square built. I need wood planks for that. That didn't provide me much. I need some soul. Where's the best place to get soul? Oh, and there's a poison storm over there. Oops. Oopsie. Oh, they finally moved that wood, which means I can build another hut for you guys. Oh. What's up? Oh yeah, that's built. Right, I don't really have... Oh, Ombu's gonna sleep. So where are we? Here. Right, so we should be able to get to that tree there. What can I research? We can get that. I think I'm upsetting some people here. Definitely upsetting my workers here. Can't really go anywhere right now. But Ombu's sleeping, so here's what it is, right? Build a house there. Let's see. We have 7 homeless people. Not exactly the best on my... Nine homeless people now. Right, so we can make the hill shroom. People, if you just moved those goddamn things. Right. Only that one. I need the idle worker right now. Because I need these houses built. And we have 2. That one. Right. They can stop for the minute. Right, what do I need doing around the place? Right, and I'm gonna stop you for a bit. Get moving these logs so I can get building better houses for everyone. So I don't have so much homelessness. Please. You have nothing to do right now. Aren't you? Yes you do. We have an egg. Why is that wood not moved? I honestly just moved the wood. Honestly. I want to build your huts, but I can't. Actually, can I just put it down with it there? Yeah, I can. There you go. That's how you get him to move it. Oh my god. I'm an idiot. I should have just done that. Anyway. Well, you're all going to be upset because you're all about to be homeless. Ah, maybe I should have a tent there. Oops. What was that about poison? Right, where are you? Right, we're moving, which means you can go do that. And we can have another hut there. Have I still got homeless people? How? These should house 3. Whereas the other ones only house 2. 2, 3, 6, 8. Oh, we're in a desert. So we are in a different biome now. Ooh. Not sure how I feel about going into the desert. Right. They're gonna have to do corn. Let's go to that one. Now, this isn't going to work anymore. Let's build up everything I can. That isn't going to work, so... Don't know if berries are going to grow now either. Right, I need to sort out my homelessness crisis. Yay! Oh, wrong button. Let's carry on with the quest. We're back. Have you been poisoned? Wally, are you okay? Don't worry about me, dear. We have found the bird, but he's in pretty bad shape. I'm not surprised. I see. Let's notify that Pidge guy immediately. That's the first sensible thing you've said in weeks, dear. Pidge, we have found Biko, but... Oh no, he's dead, isn't he? I knew I shouldn't have sent... Oh, no. Calm down. Pidge is still alive. Yay! But he was inside of that poison storm for quite a while. I managed to stabilize him and bring him back to our village, but I'm afraid I don't know enough about birds to help him any further. Oh, what a relief. You've already saved him by getting him out of there alive. I wouldn't necessarily call that saving him, but okay. As for further treatment, pigeons are actually rather good at taking care of themselves as long as they can find herbs. If he is able to fly, just send him my way with a few herbs and he'll be cured in no time. I'm not sure how that works. Are you sure if he needs his herbs, we can care for him here? That is very nice of you, but he knows best what dosage he needs, and I'd rather have him leave while your village is still closer to his home. Understood. I'll check if we have any herbs we can spare to send him your way once we're ready. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing my boy again. See, cough. See, dear, there's nothing to worry about. The fact you're coughing is something to worry about. Are you sure? Come home, I'll make you a tea. Yay! Can we even make tea in this game? Like, what have we got to make tea with? Right. Get these things done, then I can... we have cactus and corn growing now. They will grow out this way. Didn't. Oh, that's got to have 3 people. Right. Let's search the oasis because that's going to give us some water. I want to continue southeast because I'm going to command Ollie to eat in a bit while we're here. And where's that food bit? Right, there we go. Get eating. Mining camp. You are gonna have to move down to there. What's that? Are we still moving or yeah we are. What we we're scavenging a settlement. That'll do. Oh, there we go. We're sending Biko out. Thank you so much, my boy is back. Already? Of course, such a good boy. Who is the smartest? You are. Who is the best boy? You are. Ah, that's how I talk to my parrots. Wait, who are you? Oh, I'm the village elder. You were talking to my wife before, but she's come down with a sickness. I'm sorry to hear that. Please let her know that I am eternally grateful to you. Or, should you ever need to transport resources to settlements on the ground, my birds will be at your service. Oh, does this mean we get a new mechanic? As for your reward, I've already sent another one of my birds your way. He should be arriving any minute. Oh, farewell, my friends. I have to look after my boys and girls now. Goodbye, weird bird guy. I must admit, it feels good having been able to help him. Oh, are you coming around to helping people now? Are you getting happy? Then something's going to happen. Yay. So, this is what Nona told us to look for. Strange, I've never seen anything quite like it. It's clearly some kind of seed, but I don't know any plant that could help us fight back against the fungi. You managed to find it? Well done! What you are holding in your hands is the seed of an almost extinct species. If we can get it to grow, it will filter the water, neutralize the poison, and thus cleanse the soil. Yeah, plants do that. That is certainly impressive if true, but is that your entire plan? Planting a tree and waiting for it to save the world? Some plants are more hardy and can do that in certain terrains compared to others. Oh, lighten up, will you? Cough, will you, my dear? Wally, you shouldn't be out here. Go back to bed, please. I'm plenty old enough to make my own decisions, and I want to hear what the plan is. Norna, please continue. Certainly, yes, planting these seeds and waiting for them to save the world is ultimately my entire plan. If they got overrun with the fungi, though, there is a chance they may not work. But yeah, it's a plan. Their effects are much more potent than you would think. It would only take a few decades to make large portions of the world livable again. I'm aware that this is a considerable amount of time, and we will, of course, need more than just one. Okay, then why don't we plant this one right now and find out how potent they are? 'Cause it got overrun. Your plans just failed. That unfortunately won't work. Like I said, these are relics of the old world, and they have been in stasis for a long time. We will have to treat them with a special compound to revive them, so to say. Fair enough. But I am still looking for the ingredients, so in the meantime I would ask that you continue to gather these seeds. Oh, for there's always something else, isn't there? Cough, cough. Dear! we We've found this one just like she said we would. I think we can afford to be a little more trusting in exchange for the first genuine glimmer of hope we've had in decades. Wally, let's get you to bed. I am not going before you haven't apologised. Ooh. Apologise? What in the world should I apologise for? For being a negative Nancy. Where do I even start? To our leader because you keep trying to micromanage every decision even though you stepped down long ago. To me because you keep trying to make my decisions for me. And to Nona because you keep doubting every single thing she says. Is it because she reminds you too much of... Enough. Okay. Sorry, I trust you. I trust you, Nona, that you have everyone's best interest at heart. I trust you, leader, to make the right decisions for our village. You shouldn't have told me that, because I don't trust me to make the right decisions, let's be honest. And I trust you, Wally, always, with all my heart. Good, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now, Nona, tell us how much we can find more of them. I don't think I read that right. Thank you. These seeds are often kept as keepsakes of the old world and usually exchanged as a sign of gratitude. My relationship with the wildlings didn't go well then, did they? So if you come across someone who is in need of help, they might reward you with one. I will do my best to locate and mark any I can find on your map for you. If someone out here has access to a transmitter, they may even contact you directly should they require aid in the Rondu village they can provide. If you're ever struggling to keep up with your search and miss the presence of just having to survive, don't be afraid to miss out on some of them. I will just try to locate the other ones. We will do our best. Yes, we will. I promise. Now, let's get back to bed, Wally. Let's get you back to bed, Ethan. Oh, that could have implications. Yes, dear. Thank you again. Get well soon, and I'll be in touch. Right, now that we have done that, that is where I'm going to leave it here. And, yeah. Oh. Right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and have a good time. Bye!